Welcome to Climate Report. With much sunnier weather than usual in the month, September 2022 was exceptionally hot in Hong Kong. The monthly mean maximum temperature of 32.7 degrees, mean temperature of 29.6 degrees and mean minimum temperature of 27.3 degrees were 2.2 degrees. 1.7 degrees and 1.2 degrees above the corresponding normals, and all of them were the second highest on record for September. There were 3 days with daily maximum temperatures at the Hong Kong Observatory equal to or higher than 35.0 degrees in the month, the highest number on record for September. The total duration of bright sunshine of 237.4 hours in the month was about 36% higher than the normal of 174.4 hours and the 8th highest on record for September. The month was also drier than usual, with a monthly rainfall of only 171.2 mm, about 53% of the normal of 321.4 mm. The accumulated rainfall this year up to September was 1999.0 mm, about 11% lower than the normal figure of 2242.8 mm for the same period. Under the influence of a weak northeast monsoon, it was very hot with sunny periods on the first day of the month in Hong Kong. High temperatures also triggered thundery showers over the territory in the afternoon. More than 70 mm of rainfall were recorded over Tai Po and North District of the New Territories. Affected by a dry continental airstream, the weather of Hong Kong was fine and dry on the 2nd to the 6th of September. It was also very hot during the day on the 3rd to the 6th of September. Under the influence of an easterly airstream along the coast of Guangdong and a broad trough of low pressure over the South China Sea, local weather turned mainly cloudy with occasional showers and a few thunderstorms on the 7th of September. More than 20 mm of rainfall were recorded over many places in the New Territories, and rainfall even exceeded 40 mm in Tai Po, dominated by a ridge of high pressure. Apart from isolated showers, it was generally fine and very hot during the day on the 8th to the 9th of September. Under light wind conditions, apart from sunny intervals, high temperatures triggered a few showers the next day. With the prevalence of a dry continental airstream, apart from a few showers, the weather of Hong Kong was generally fine and very hot on the 11th to the 17th of September. It was also very dry during the day on the 13th to the 15th of September, and there was some haze on 12 to 13 and the 16th to the 17th of September. With plenty of sunshine, the maximum temperature at the observatory soared to 35.9 degrees on the 13th of September, the highest of the month and the highest maximum temperature for September on record. Moreover, the daily mean temperature at the observatory reached 31.7 degrees on 13 and the 14th of September. Both were the highest on record for September. The daily minimum temperature of 29.6 degrees on the 14th of September was also the highest on record for September. Under light wind conditions, apart from sunny periods on the 18th to the 19th of September, high temperatures triggered a few showers and squally thunderstorms over the territory on these 2 days. In particular, the isolated severe squally thunderstorms on the afternoon of the 18th of September brought intense gusts to Sai Kung, Lau Fau Shan and Tai O with the onset of a fresh to strong northeast monsoon. There were sunny intervals and a few showers on the 20th of September. Apart from a few morning showers, the weather of Hong Kong turned generally fine on the next 2 days. With the arrival of a replenishment of the northeast monsoon, local weather was mainly fine at first but became cloudy gradually with a few showers and thunderstorms later on the 23rd of September. More than 20 mm of rainfall were recorded over the western part of the new territories. Under the influence of the drier northeast monsoon, apart from a few showers, it was generally fine and dry on the 24th to the 26th of September. Local weather turned cloudier and windier on the 27th to the 28th of September. Affected by a broad trough of low pressure, it was mainly cloudy with showers and squally thunderstorms on the 29th to the 30th of September. Showers were heavy at times on the 30th of September, with more than 100 mm of rainfall recorded over many places of the territory. Under the rain, the temperature at the observatory dropped to a minimum of 24.8 degrees on that day. The lowest of the month. 8 tropical cyclones occurred over the South China Sea in the western North Pacific in September 2022. Seasonal forecast for October to December 2022. In the past month or so, La Niña continued with largely colder than normal sea surface temperatures over the central and eastern equatorial Pacific. Based on the latest oceanic observations as well as forecasts by a number of climate models around the world, the La Niña is expected to persist for the rest of this year. Under the influence of global warming and local urbanization, October to December temperatures in Hong Kong exhibit a significant long-term rising trend. The chance of normal to above normal temperature in October to December is generally higher. The majority of climate models around the world forecast normal to above normal temperature over southern China this October to December. Rainfall forecasts for the South China coast for October to December 2022 given by climate models around the world show disagreement without a clear consensus. However, climate models forecast that the continental airstream affecting southern China may be stronger than normal for October to December this year. The chance of normal to below normal rainfall in Hong Kong for this October to December is therefore expected to be slightly higher. That's the climate report. Bye for now.